Excel Appendix D, pages D2 to D4. On cell D2, read about creating a custom cell style. When you finish reading that, let's go to create the P title cell style. Step number 1, open the periodic workbook, do a file save as, and name it periodic table. So pause the video and do that. In the documentation worksheet, enter your name and the date. Step number 3, go to the Element Families worksheet and then select cell B4. Be careful because you also have element data, so make sure you get Element Families and click on cell B4. On the Home tab in the Styles group, okay, here's our Home tab, here's our Styles group. Click the Cell Style button. Okay, so click on the Cell Style button. Get more right there. When the palette drops down, click New Cell Style, which is right here. In the Cell Style name box, type P title. So it says, here we're in our Style dialog box. We have Style name. It's already highlighted, so all we have to do is type the name they told us to type in, which is P title. Okay. Step number 6. Click the number, fill, and protection checkboxes to remove the check marks. Okay, it said to get rid of number, fill, and protection, right? Number, fill, protection, remove the check marks, leaving the alignment, font, and border style elements checked. Okay, alignment, font, and border style have a check mark. The checked items are included in the custom style. See figure D1 on page D3 and compare it to your dialog box and make sure the dialog box on your screen matches the one in figure D1. Step number 7, click the Format button. Format button is right there. Move this over. The Format button is right there. Click on it, and that opens up your Format Cells dialog box. Okay. Click the Alignment tab. Click the horizontal arrow and then click Center. Okay, see right here it says Text Alignment, it says Horizontal. We're going to click this down pointing arrow and we're going to select Center. Step number 9, click the Font tab. Click Bold in the Font Style box. Font Style, Bold. Then click 20 in the Size box. Here's our Size box. We're going to scroll down until we can see 20 and then click on it. Okay, so we have Font Style Bold, Size 20. Step number 10, click the Border tab. Click the double line in the Style box. Okay, here's our Style box. I click the double line. Then click the bottom border of Border Preview. Okay, here's our Border Preview, and we want the bottom border. Okay, just like that. You should see a double line pop across the bottom. Once you've finished all that, step number 11 says, click the OK box in each dialog box to create the custom style and return to the workbook. So I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to click OK again. All right, the custom style appears in our Style Styles gallery, but we actually have to apply it. Okay, so to apply the P title cell style, on the Home tab in the Styles group, click the Cell Styles button to open the Cell Styles gallery. Home tab, Styles group, this button right here. Step number 2, in the custom section, click P title. The custom style will be applied. Okay, it's right up here. So it says custom right here. Boom, click the P title right there, and it's applied where we were in cell B4. Select cell A1 to deselect. So just deselect, it doesn't matter what cell you click on, so that you can see the cell with the formatted style. Turn the page and look at figure D2 and compare it to your screen. Okay, so you can see it's quite a large change. All right, at the top of page D4, step number 4. Apply the p-title cell style to cell B4 in the ionization energy, radioactive elements, and element data worksheets, and then return to the element families worksheet. Okay, so they want us to go to ionization energy, click on cell B4, and then go up to our styles and apply that p-title right there. Then we go to radioactive elements and do the same thing. And then to element data, D4, style, custom style. And then when we have all of those done, I'm just going to check mine real quick. I did element data, I did that one, I did that one, and now I'm back to element families. Okay, right there in the middle of D4, read that quick little paragraph about modifying a cell style. Okay, to modify the p-title cell style. All right, on the Home tab in the Styles group, click the Cell Styles button. Step number 2, in the Custom section, right-click, please make sure you right-click and do not left-click, p-title, right-click it, and then select Modify on the shortcut menu. The Style dialog box for the p-title cell style opens. Okay? Step number 3, click the Format button. The Format Cells dialog box opens. Step number 4, click the Font tab. Click the Color arrow. Okay, here's color right here. My computer wanted a little nap. There it goes. Then click Olive Green, Accent 3, Darker 50%, the last color in the 6th column. Olive Green, Accent 3, Darker 50. Click the OK button in each dialog box. The p-title cell style is updated and the font color in cell B4 of each worksheet is now a dark olive green. You can see it right here, and if you click on each tab, you're going to see that the font color changed every place where we had that style. Go back to Element Families tab, please. Go ahead and save this, and you're ready to move on to the next video.